came in the post today. Hi travellers, I'm Anne's daughter Laleko. Welcome back to my channel, helping you enhance your travel experiences. For those of you that have been following, thank you so much. Thank you so much to my subscribers as well. This is the end to the journey of going to the fake markets. Not that it particularly was a journey that I'd ever set out to take, however, this is where we are today. I'm going to link my video to the fake markets in the description box below, so please watch that first because then it'll make sense as to why I'm doing this video update. For those of you that have watched it, you saw me purchase this Louis Vuitton bag, and it's one of those incidental purchases that I never intended to get, but I was like, I'll try it out. So I have, and I must say I have used this bag quite a fair bit. As I stated in that video, I'm just going to try it out, let's see if it fits, and I'm being really impressed with this. This is the Louis Vuitton pochette accessoire in the azur print. Anyway, like maybe 2 people have asked me, oh, is that a real one or is that a fake one? Well, fantastic. You know I've been living in China previously, so yes, it's going to be fake. China puts their prices up for foreign goods. That's why it's cheaper to fly to Hong Kong for the weekend and pick up whatever you're after. Use this fake one for trips away. You will have seen it in a bunch of different videos. I have actually got wear out of it for travel trips, whether it was train travel. I've used it at Disneyland. About to do this coming weekend. I did attach my strap from another handbag to make it into a crossbody, which is so wonderful. So for a travel bag, this is great. Plus, because it's light canvas, then you know, it really weighs nothing. Throw it in my suitcase, or I can use it. I find it really handy for those really short flights, like it's only an hour where I'm going. When I was in China, it was only an hour up the road to Shanghai, an hour up to Beijing. So, you know, it fits it fits passport, fits phone, to put your boarding pass in as well. Like, just really that, and oh, lip balm, because I have my Burt's bees. I also carry my camera as well in it, and I have been known to put my tripod, just hang it on the smaller strap. So many options that you can wear this particular bag in that I think suits so many different occasions. It's very user friendly, so I have got a lot of value out of it, which then prompted me to start looking for a real one. I've never been one for having luxury goods, because I believe this steps into the luxury market, even though I believe it fits into the small leather goods category. It's never been something I've pursued. I think it's fantastic that others do, and those that have got amazing collections, well done. I made the decision to invest. I'll get it when I find a Louis Vuitton store. I'll walk in and get it. Still to this day, I have not walked into a Louis Vuitton store. It has just not been in my pathway. That's where I started to look at the pre-owned route. And there's a lot of YouTubers that do luxury goods that have used that pathway as well. So I thought, I'll give it a go. I'm fussed whether it was new or not. As I said, I've been waltzing around with a fake one and it's done me just fine. Yes, while it would have been nice to go into a store and do the whole experience, that wasn't the journey that was destined for me this time with this particular bag, and that's just fine. I had such an adventure buying the fake one in the first place and thought that would be the end of it. So I was not adverse at all to having a pre-owned bag. Anyway, it came in the post today. Oh my goodness. A bit worried. I was looking on eBay, and in New Zealand they have trade me. I will say in my particular experience, the package got to me, so I'm totally fine with it. I did buy it off eBay. One came out that was in very good condition. Unfortunately, the seller was so lovely. So it ended up being that because eBay, and in the same way that Trade Me, they take a percentage out of whatever it sells for because of how the website's set up. So they're like, well, to avoid those costs, would you be comfortable just, you know, direct debiting it to bank account? And that's where, you know, I did. I had to really have a good think about that, hoping that I'm making the right choice. Fine, and I they were very reassuring as well, because I sent them, you know, a picture of here's my transfer, I've done it. Then they were good enough to send me a picture of the packaging, and then they also sent me a receipt from Australia Post to show that yes, it's in the post. So that line of communication, I just feel like they've been totally above board the whole time. It could have gone otherwise. And that's something that you have to decide for yourself, if you're willing to take that risk or not, because it is a risk. As I say, could have gone, just been out of pocket, sitting here recording this video going, oh, guess what happened to me? This is an unbagging, not an unboxing. Strap, and it currently retails in Australia for $325. Gift, so it hasn't even been used. You can see it's totally new. A strap, it does have a few different holes, so you've got different choices in terms of the length. Also, I liked this bag because it did come with the strap. If I'd bought this, if I'd gone into the store, there's no way that I would have bought the strap. You come at a great time, since I'm flying out early tomorrow morning, and then was able to pick this up from the post before 5 o'clock today, so a fabulous time. I think for traveling purposes, this is a great bag because of how much it can do. Whether you're using it during the day and still having your hands free by using the crossbody strap, I think that's amazing to have that versatility, and then also just be able to grab it and take it out for dinner, whether it's just as a clutch or if it's under your arm. I think also having the zip as well. I'll be going to another theme park this long weekend. Knowing that this one did Disneyland very well, this one is going to make it too. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up.